Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete your Snapchat account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Snapchat. So once you open it, simply tap on the profile on left hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you can find a gear like icon. Simply tap on it and there you need to simply scroll down below and find the option called delete account. Simply tap on it and it will let you log in into your accounts.snapchat.com using your username and password. So once you are on your web login, you need to now enter your username and password again to confirm your request to delete your account. Once you have done this, simply tap on the continue to proceed. After doing this, your account will be now deactivated for 30 days. This means you won't be able to log in or access your account. If you log in within the 30 days, your account will be reactivated. If you don't log in, your account will be permanently deleted. So this is how you delete Snapchat account in 2024. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.